what if the reason you feel older isn't age? It might be something inside your cells, something slowly fading without you even noticing. This molecule is called NAD+, and boosting it, some say it's the secret to turning back the clock. This video is for educational purposes only. Always check with your doctor. NAD+, short for nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide, is a molecule found in every cell of your body. It's kind of like your body's internal power switch, fueling everything from energy production to DNA repair. But here's the kicker. As you get older, your NAD+ levels drop fast. By age 40, they've already taken a nosedive. That means slower recovery, low energy, brain fog, and even aging skin. So, why are people racing to restore their NAD+ levels? More energy at a cellular level, improved focus and mental clarity, better muscle recovery after workouts, potential anti-aging effects like improved skin and organ health, support for metabolic function and immune health. It's why some biohackers and researchers are calling NAD+ the molecule of youth. Most people tolerate NAD+ supplements like NMN or NR pretty well, but some might feel nausea, mild fatigue, digestive issues. That's why it's smart to start slow and always talk to a healthcare provider, especially if you're on medication. Let's dive into some FAQs. What's the best way to increase NAD+? Supplements like NMN, nicotinamide mononucleotide, and NR, nicotinamide riboside, are the most popular. Some studies also suggest exercise and intermittent fasting help too. When's the best time to take NAD+ boosters? Most take it in the morning for optimal energy benefits. How long before I feel a difference? Some report improved focus and energy in 1-2 weeks, but results vary by person. Is it safe for long-term use? There's growing research, but it's still early. Long-term safety is promising but not guaranteed. Always follow dosing guidelines. Can I get NAD+ from food? Foods like dairy, fish, mushrooms, and whole grains support NAD+ indirectly, but levels are modest compared to supplements. If you're over 35 and noticing a drop in energy, sleep quality, or focus, boosting your NAD+ levels might just be worth a second look. Subscribe to Verdure Junction for science-backed breakdowns of trending health supplements, made simple.